These bastards, a little bunch of bastards, low-life crooks. Bastards.
Oh, hi, there you are. Well, no, I'm acting like you walked in on me unexpectedly, which is a silly narrator cliche, but anyway. Well, that happened to me last week in my car. My car engine just blew. Has only 130,000 miles on it. Starts making that horrible noise. I'm going to sell the car online, and I know for a fact I'm going to attract the scammers, and all the fraudsters. They're going to come in like flies on, flies on, oh, whatever. Tune in to future episodes where we mess with the scammers. Come on. What do you want to do? You want to send an email?